Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a solid day here. Yeah, the price pulled back originally, but with the strong close and the movement back to the upside, definitely makes for an interesting scenario here headed into Wednesday. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for now. But there's still work to be done, don't get me wrong, but this red line here that I talked about in previous videos up there at 1250 seems as though it very well could be coming into play here. And again, there's still work that needs to be done, but with the amount of momentum that showed up this afternoon, and my point here is that it's a more than reasonable, it's a more than rational thought to have that, maybe, just maybe, the price is getting ready to make a move up there and potentially do some battle with that level. So that's going to be the first dynamic that I think a lot of people will be wondering about, and rightfully so, because that is an important level. And with the amount of momentum that has shown up, it makes it, again, not guaranteed to happen, but makes it more than valid to think that there could be a battle with 1250 that's coming into play here on Wednesday. And if there is, that just brings up the very valid question of, okay, well, how does that battle play out? Is the price going to get up there and blast through that area? If it does, then you would want to immediately turn your attention to that 1365 mark. Or does the price go up there and then, struggle around, which isn't a bad thing. It's just really a question of, how actually strong is that 1250 mark. So keep an eye on those couple areas of resistance. If the price decides it's not quite ready and just wants to consolidate around, no problem there. In fact, the new level that I want to get in here, which I think is doing a great job of showing, the current trend right now via this trend line right there. Let me change that to green. So point here being that even if the price doesn't break up through that 1250 mark, not the end of the world or anything like that, because the price is still up above that trend line. And as long as the price is above that green line, then that does still imply that the price is slowly making signs of progress in the upwards direction, which is what ultimately matters at the end of the day. But overall, because of this late day movement here with the momentum, definitely an interesting setup here. And let's see if the price can indeed do some battling with the 1250 mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.